National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Culpeper County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, Stafford County in Northern Virginia, until 8:30 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bealton, Nokesville, Opal, Remington, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Bristersburg, Morrisville, Lois, Somerville, Casanova, Goldvine, Summerduck, Heflin, Aden, Elkwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Charles and southeastern Prince William County.